for the 100th time. Paper track felt perfect, so did my design. Hit print and watch that nozzle glide, like it finally chose to be on my side. First layer went down smooth and clean, not dare believe in the in-between. Turned my back for just 1 minute, came back to spaghetti in it. Extruder clicks, filament slips, temperature swings, it ends and quits. Every time I think I've won, something breaks before it's done. Layer by layer, fail again, dial it in and try again. Too hot, too cold, too fast, too slow. Why it fails, I'll never know. From perfect lines to plastic rain, I was lost in looping pain. But I'll hit print one more time, cause maybe now it'll be fine. Collapse halfway through, bridging look like something chewed. Warping corners lifting high, like the print just wants to fly. Retractions off, they're stringing now, tiny hairs on every brow. Flow rates drifting, walls too thin, and layer shifts just kick right in. See wobble hums, bells complain, ghosting echoes every plane. Tolerance, that's just a guess, nothing fits, it's all a mess. Layer by layer, fail again, dial it in and try again. Too hot, too cold, too fast, too slow. Why it fails, I'll never know. From perfect lines to plastic rain, I was lost in looping pain. But I'll hit print one more time, cause maybe now it'll be fine. Swap the nozzle, clean the drive, tried to keep this thing alive. Calibrated each steps twice, still it prints like it's got dice. Firmware tweak, new slice of plan, different brand, same problem again. Every fix just shifts the fight from one floor to a different night. And when it works just once, just right, perfect layers stacked in light, you forget the hours lost in vain and press start all over again. Breakdown, heat it, tune it, repeat.